Hi, I'm Tom Richards from Environmental Lights. Welcome to InfoComm 2026. Today I want to talk about our REVI remote voltage illumination system with small aperture fixtures for residential or specific commercial applications. The REVI system features a remote power supply. Think amplifier and speaker, where you plug in an amplifier and you run speaker wire to a speaker. The same thing with REVI. Everything with REVI is low voltage. So this is designed specifically for AV integrators for commercial and residential applications. At InfoComm, we talk a lot about our high lumen fixtures for house lighting, house of worship, auditorium, but we also have a full array of small aperture fixtures, 1-inch, 1-inch multi-trim, 2-inch pendants, 3-inch. These are some of the pendants we have. We have sconces. We do full lighting design. You can do all the lighting in your house, specifically all the primary illumination using the REVI system. We also will do lighting design at a very nominal charge. We understand a lot of the people we're working with do not know lighting, so we basically act as their consultant partners to help them get into lighting. It's a DMX controlled system, so it'll work with multiple systems. In this case, this is a Savant integration guide. So this is, again, designed for people who know how to do control, know how to do low voltage, and it's exactly what REVI is going to do for the market.